Introducing this beautiful 2012 Chrysler Town & Country Touring L conversion van. Offering a BraunAbility automatic fold-out ramp and kneel system. This vehicle features a 3.6-liter V6 engine and around 92,000 miles. Simply press a button and your sliding door and ramp will stow or deploy. Also featuring a beautiful leather interior. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2012 Chrysler Town & Country Touring L conversion van. Call AutoMobility store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.